Script, Variable Air Volume, VAV, Systems Explained, TES Series, Part 48. Welcome back, engineers. In this video, Part 48 of our TES, District Cooling Series, we'll talk about one of the smartest and most energy-efficient air distribution systems used in modern buildings, the Variable Air Volume, VAV system. Let's understand how it works, why it's so efficient, and where it fits inside our HVAC and TES network. 1. What is a VAV system? A variable air volume, VAV system, controls the amount of air supplied to each zone, instead of keeping the airflow constant like traditional systems. In simple terms, it changes airflow, not temperature, to meet the cooling or heating demand of each zone. This makes it smarter, more comfortable, and energy efficient. The Air Handling Unit, AHU, supplies conditioned air at a nearly constant temperature, typically 12 to 13 degrees Celsius. The air flows through ducts to multiple VAV boxes, each serving a zone or room. Each VAV box has a damper that adjusts to control how much air enters that zone. A thermostat in each zone measures temperature and sends a signal to the VAV box to increase or decrease airflow. When the cooling load decreases, the damper closes partially, saving fan energy and reducing system demand. 3. Main Components Air Handling Unit, AHU, supplies conditioned air. Duct network distributes air throughout the building. VAV terminal boxes control airflow for each zone. Thermostats, sensors, monitor temperature and send signals. Control system, BMS, coordinates operation and energy optimization. Energy efficiency, reduces fan power and chiller load. Comfort control, each zone maintains its own temperature. Noise reduction, less fan speed when load is low. Integration, works perfectly with TES and district cooling systems. Flexibility, easy to adjust zones or occupancy patterns. Higher initial cost and complex controls, needs regular calibration and maintenance, may require reheat coils in some climates. Office towers, universities, hospitals, shopping malls, airports. Fun fact, a well-designed VAV system can reduce HVAC energy use by up to 30–50% while keeping perfect comfort in every corner of the building. So next time you walk into an office where every room feels perfectly balanced, that's the VAV system working behind the scenes. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to Mechanical Engineering 606 for more TES, HVAC lessons in this series.